Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hi everyone. Hopefully you would be doing fine. Uh, as we have started uh, parts of speech, parts of speech are very important to understand because all words that are written, all words that are spoken, all words that are heard, and all words that are spoken, so they have certain definition. We can say either they are noun or they are pronoun, either they are verb or adverb, either they adjective or preposition, either they are adverb or conjunction. So they are parts of speech. That's why we give a lot of emphasis. Lot of emphasis. The word is emphasis. That's why we give a lot of emphasis on the clarity of parts of speech. You know, the parts of speech are, as we have already discussed, but I would keep on repeating. I love repeating. I love revising. I love sharing because I know in language when you will talk about, because we will link with it, we will link it with language. So in language, repetition is very important. We are not going to cover one thing in that way that okay, we have studied, now we will not touch it. No, we will cover inshallah the things like way, in such a way that revision is the key. The more we revise, the more we repeat, then we can understand it better. So we were talking about the parts of speech, as I have already shared: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, and adjective. The word is adjective. Listen again. The word is adjective. D is silent. Adjective. Adjective. So we are not going to speak like adjective. So in this word, D is silent. So we would say it adjective. So the list of parts of speech is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, and adjective. So we have already covered noun. You know that any naming word, marker, watch, shirt, board, any naming word. If you are in the ground, players are found, players. Grass is there, grass. Wicket is there, wicket. When you are on the road, vehicles are there, so vehicles are noun. Drivers are there, so drivers are noun. Road is there, so road is noun. When you are at the airport, passengers, passengers are noun. Trolleys, trolleys are noun. You know, flight, flights are noun. So the thing is this: any naming word is called noun. Then we proceeded, then we discuss about pronoun. You know, the word that we use at the place of noun is called pronoun, like he, she, it, they, you, we, etc., etc. The word is etc., 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 etc. So we have already discussed, but I want to recap. The word is recapitulation. The word is recapitulation. But when we revise it, so we say it recap. So already we have discussed the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb. So as I shared with you the definition of noun and pronoun and verb, anything which A person performs, that is called verb. His action is called verb. So the actions can be of two types. We have discussed already that action verbs and being verb. Like someone is driving a car, so his action is driving. Someone is listening music, so his action is listening. Someone is offering namaz, so his action is offering. Likewise, uh, now we would be moving ahead. Today our topic is adverb. Today our topic is adverb. You know, verb and adverb, they come back to back. They come in the series, in the sequence. So here is the definition that's written. An adverb is a word which qualifies for or add to the meaning of a verb and adjective. So adverb is a word which qualifies. Qualifies means adds, which adds in the meaning of verb. So adverb is a word. We will discuss the example, then it will be quite clear that what is the concept of adverb. But as far as the definition is concerned, you can understand that adverb is a word that adds something in the meaning of verb, or sometimes adjective, or sometimes adverb itself. Look at that. An adverb is a word which qualifies for or add to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So here are given some examples, you can better understand. She was walking slowly. Was, the word is was, not was. Was, as we are talking about in the language class. So the word, every word that is very important for the pronunciation. So we have to focus on the small mistakes as well. So the word is was. She was walking slowly. She was walking slowly. So here, where is the adverb? She was walking slowly. So how is she walking? Slowly. So the word slowly is adverb. So we have seen so how the action is performed, how the verb is performed. The word that tells us how the verb is performed, that is called adverb. So in the sentence, she was walking slowly. Slowly is an adverb. Next sentence. He was reading clearly. Clearly. He was reading clearly. The word is clearly. Clearly, not clearly. The very important word for speaking is he was reading clearly. Clearly. So we have to identify where is adverb. Yes, we have to identify. He was reading clearly. He was reading clearly. So where is the adverb? Yes, clearly is the adverb because it is adding in the meaning of verb. It is telling us that how is the reading? How is the reading take place? Is it taking place clearly or not clearly? So the word clearly is adverb. Next example. You are very excited for the learning. You are very excited for the learning. You are very excited. Look at that word. Just zoom your concentration. Where could be the adverb? You are very excited. So very excited. These two words, these both words are adverb because these are adding in the meaning of verb. Now you will be surprised. Where are verb? Where is the verb in this sentence? You are very excited. Yes, are is a verb because we have already discussed there are two types of verbs, action verbs and being verbs. So is, am, are, was, were are called, the word is called, not called, called. So is, am, are and was, were are called being verbs. So anyhow, let, let's come back to the point. You are very excited for the learning. You are very excited for the learning. So adverbs are very excited. Very is adverb as well as excited is also an adverb in this sentence. Yes. She was walking quite slowly. She was walking. I'm sharing a sentence with you. She was walking very slowly. She was walking. Listen it again. She was. My stress is on pronunciation as well. Was. The word is was. Please don't say it was. Was. She was walking. Walking, not walking. So the word is walking. She was walking very slowly. She was walking very slowly. She was walking very slowly. So where is the adverb? You have to zoom your attention on the word. The word that adds or qualifies in the meaning of verb is called adverb. So what are those words in this sentence which are acting as an adverb? Yes, definitely. So quite slowly or very slowly. She was walking very slowly.